Hello, today it's the right season because it's January. We're going to clean the garden because for next year for us to plant our stuff. It's important to clean out the plant pots because we need to kill any bacteria. Now I'm going to clean the plant pot. Always ask your mum and dad if you want to do any sort of kind of spray. So first we need to do is we're going to put some of this into the water until that goes all the way down. Always screw it right, then it will go tight. That rhymes, doesn't it?
Except for you're going left.
I'm going left. Okay, now we are ready to spray any sort of mold. So, welcome, and today we are going to make the greenhouse ready for summer. You really need to wear glasses, otherwise it will go in your eyes and burn your eyes out or make a hole in your eyelids. We need to clean this because we're going to grow some radishes in it. It's too cold to plant anything outside, but we can plant something inside. It might be just warm enough for something to grow. And my avocado plant is just survived in the winter. We need to plant some radishes, and it's still cold because it's January, and we are going to put them inside, so that's okay. What we need is a spade, some watering can with water in it, compost, radish seeds, and some trays for the radish to go in. But first, we get some soil. So now I put the soil in, and now I'm going to put the radishes in. Putting the lid in. So these are the radishes, and when they germinate we can put them outside because it's a little bit warmer, and now I'm going to put the lid on. Thanks for joining us today, and how well are you doing? I've grown lots of lovely plants.